Hi, Mr. Cheng here. Have you ever started a project with one idea and then it ended up being two, three, four, five? Okay, that's what I ended up doing here. I'm working on my 650. So what's gonna happen here, or what's been happening here in the last couple of days, is um, because this ATV, when I bought it, it has a ticking sound. So after doing some research, I know that I probably need to do some valve adjustments, and that's what I did. I adjusted the valves. So just valve cover, intake exhaust, the usual just valve adjustments if you know what you're doing. And so I figured, okay, well, since I have all of this junk in the trunk out. See, I took the hood, took the rack, this whole entire side here. I took it all out just to do the valve adjustment. And then I figured, okay, well, since I'm here, I might as well do the snorkel kit as well. So I'm in the process of making a snorkel kit, homemade, of course, because teachers don't have a big salary. Okay. Saw this on one of the YouTube video, like I think it's like Mac Tech or something like that. One of those guys. I might be wrong. Okay, don't quote me there. So what I did was I have the PVC that I have left over from what I did my green one, for that, and so I decided to use that to do this one. At the same time, I went ahead and kind of just did the radiator relocation too. So instead of paying $200 for that kit, I decided to just use my own will and creativity to do it, because it's pretty simple. It's just some plumbing tubes and just make a random mount to mount it. So right now, this is the mock-up or template of how I want to keep it. These are just some cheap steel you can get it from Harbor Freight Tool. I mean, not Harbor Freight Tool, sorry. From Menards, Flea Farm, Home Depot, they all sell it. Piping. The piping is the hardest issue I found. AutoZone don't have it. Only AutoZone don't have it. Menards don't have it. Flea Farm don't have it. So AutoZone don't have it. I already said that. But only place that have these pipes, 1-inch diameter pipe, is Napa. Okay, at least here in Minnesota, Napa has it. So I had to go all the way to Napa to get it. Otherwise, these corners or these 90-degree bends, Menards, like 30 cents a piece, pretty cheap. And so that's the video for today. Oh, and then I got some new tires coming in. I bought some new mud tires coming in. Sorry, I just have to make sure I know where the dog is, because he likes to run around at the park. Okay, so I got some new mud tires coming in to change these out. Okay, these are just the stock wheels, nothing special. I got, what is it? Mud tire, something like that, from Sand Tires Company, something like that. But I still have to take these out. So you see how one project from valve cover gasket, valve adjustment, ended up going into the snorkel kit, because I already have it out of the way. Goes into radiator relocation, and goes into what else did I say I'd do? Sorry, I'm trying to think fast here. Valve adjustment, snorkel kit, radiator relocation, and then tires. See, so 4-in-1 right now. So I got the snorkel kit almost done, radiator kit done. I just need to put everything back together. Oh, the last thing, number 5. These guys, I want to lift it up 2-inch. So I see a lot on Google image and a lot of YouTube where they just do, you know, some homemade ones with square tubing. So I have these scraps laying around. So what I want to do is I want to cut 2 inches off of this, custom it somehow, pretty simple, to mount it to here. So the bottom of the strut will take off. I already measured it. The tubing fits right in here perfectly. So the tubing will go in here and give that 2-inch stretch or 2-inch lift. I was thinking about up here, but I decided that it's easier to play around with and to maintain if later on I have all these plastic back on. So the bottom is the easiest one for me to do. So that is the 5th project that's going on this week, spring break. Okay, so my spring break is coming to an end, but so far I'm enjoying it. Take time to take this camper out to air dry for the last 2 days, because last time we used it, it was raining before the winter. So alright, so stay tuned. I'll probably not do any video in between, probably just do more of images. So stay tuned, hit the like button, subscribe for more random crazy videos, and I have a lot more ideas that I want to do. Okay, just crazy fun ideas. Cool, have fun, peace.